You can look at stock ticker symbol USRM, currently traded at 0306. Right here, the last time that we went over this was going to be over here on the 24th. Okay. Again, I mean, another thing I got to point out, so that it was going to be right there the last time, but I also need to point out is going to be right here. All right, 0044, 0044. You're at 3 cents. Still has room to go. Alert. Jobam brought this to us over on investorshangout.com/live. That's what we're talking about, finding these big ones. That's still massive gains off of that, guys. I don't care which way you want to look at it, from 00s, from the doubles up to where that you're at there. It was definitely a big, wild move. That being said, we are going to put up some levels here of what we're going to be watching for right now. We see a red day. We'll talk about that here in a second of what could be going on, what to watch for. Let me go ahead and put up one more line there for resistance that we're going to be paying attention to. And the next one looks like it's going to be up much higher. So you guys are starting to get to that spread here where we could really start making some bigger moves to higher levels. I know that we've got lines all over here, but got to make sure that we cover all aspects when we're looking at a chart for stocks that are making moves like this. I think one more, we should be good enough for now. Off of that, I'm going all the way back here, and you can see how that's lining up to where you're at now. Okay. All right, that's what we're gonna be watching for right now. All these lines, let me go ahead and explain them to you briefly. All right, so obviously you guys had this big move up right here. Looks like it filled the gap right there with the lower candle wicks that you guys could see, right? Big boom right off of that. A little bit of a gap up right here. There is a gap right here that I'm going to be watching. Small gap, but it's there. That was going to be right there at the 0246 and the 03, the high of 0241 and the low is 0. Okay, so there's a few point decimal mark there. Anyways, it didn't gap up like how I would have thought today, having that big red day. I mean, you guys are down 40%, big push down off of that. So we're going to be making sure right now that this level holds at 0289. If that doesn't, you guys could come down and fill that gap at 0246, which is a possibility. I'm going to put this one on a hold here for a few days so we can wait and watch this one stabilize. USRM, a big move, guys, from 0044. Pretty quick too. So I'm gonna hand it over to Joe, see what he has to say. If there's anything updated.
Yeah, so there's no recent updates since the last time we went over it. So I pretty much just went over to their website, and I'll read a brief description of the company. It's founded in 1999. U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated is committed to the development of elective cell technologies to treat a variety of diseases and injuries. By harnessing the body's own healing potential, we may be able to reverse damaged tissues to normal function. U.S. stem cells discoveries include multiple cell therapies in various stages of development that repair damaged tissues throughout the body due to injury or disease so that patients may return to a normal lifestyle. U.S. stem cell is focused on regenerative medicine. While most stem cell companies use one particular cell type to treat a variety of diseases, U.S. Stem Cell utilizes various cell types to treat different diseases. It is our belief that the unique qualities within the various cell types make them more advantageous to treat particular diseases. So, I mean, over on their about, then they have their board of directors, the chairman of the board, Dr. William Murphy, and they give you a brief description of him, and the CEO, Mike Tomas, and Kristen Comella, the chief science officer, Mark Borman, and Sheldon Anderson. So that's all on that page. I highly recommend anybody that's interested in this company, you probably want to go and look at that, because I mean, when it's any company that's pretty much like this, and you want to research it. So that right there, it's the website. It's www.us / stemcell.com, and you go right to that about, and you'll get an idea, because I mean, these guys right here, they obviously have a history of building successful companies in the past. So that always says that, that's something to say about a company, I guess you could say. And I mean, obviously, stem cells is a new market within the whole stem cell industry in general. I remember years ago there was a debate about it all. All right, so as always, if you have an opinion, just go right over to the USRM board over on Investors Hangout and type it right in there. We have tens of thousands of daily investors that are basically using the site. you want to research the company more, you can go right on the filings, the financials, buy ratings. You can go read the recent news, time and sales, and that's pretty much that.
All right, USRM, again, over here with the chart. 0319, hold until this stables out, in my opinion. Support at 0289, 0246, and 0199. Gap at 0241, 0246 might fill here. Resistance at 04, 05, 06. Watch how this plays out the next few days. That's just my opinion on this. Again, we'll see how it plays out. I mean, look, it's starting to come back right now. We'll see how it all rolls out. So USRM, if you're following the stock, I definitely encourage you to hit subscribe and that like button right now. Definitely appreciate that if you learned anything from this video. If there's anything that you are following, any other stocks, you can share it with us and we'll add them to the list at investorshangout.com/live.